Welcome back, folks. I'm having to record an intro because I can't find the one that I recorded outside, so that sucks. So, anyways, in today's episode, we're picking up where we left off. We had the beams installed, and now we are going to attempt lifting the cabin. Yeah, y'all enjoy. You're going to disconnect the wire while it's live power? Go ahead.
I'm feeling dangerous today.
You're feeling dangerous. There you go. Go for it.
Here, hold my hand while I touch
No, I'm good. I know what happens. All right, we got all our jacks in place. You see our front two. Two down this side. There. There. And over here. We're just getting one handle made up for the jack over here, so we got to swap handles around. And then we're going to be ready for this giant experiment. All right, so I think our plan of action is we have one beam in line, a couple pumps here, move up, a couple pumps here, move up the front, a couple pumps here, so that we're not raising too much in one area and causing any kind of distortion. Try to limit as much of that as we can. All right, my plan is to make a height indicator, so as we lift up the cabin, you'll be able to see. This is actually off of a T-square my dad hacked up for some reason. But it does have inch indicators, and I think 2 foot is our goal. So I'm going to drive a stake in, attach this, and then the height of the floor, you'll be able to see it come up as we raise the cabin. I'm there. Huh? All right. Huh? How much you off your blocks over there?
Not quite that much.
Whatever that much is.
That. Get where we
All right.
want to be, I'll probably do a small thing.
You ready? All right, our first round of attempting to lift the barn went fairly well, although we did run into some issues. The center of the barn is not keeping up with the ends, which means it's pretty rigid along there. I'm trying to go like 1/4 inch or less per, you know, jack a little bit, move to the next one, jack a little bit more, move to the front one, jack a little more. The center ain't quite keeping up with the front and the back, which I don't guess it's a bad thing. I mean, that means the barn's really stiff and structurally sound. Something we did run to in this side over here, this jack sunk down. We're gonna have to redo the mount for this. It literally sunk down most of the way, didn't hardly lift any at all, so we got to reboot this and on to round 2. All right, side note, when you're gonna be jacking something up, I just learned this lesson now. All your blocks, you see your blocks, we call that cribbing, right? Well, if you estimate, I don't know, say 100 pieces, better make that 200 pieces. So yeah. About a 1/2 inch. Where you at? What was that? Oh, what's that in there?
Yeah, I need a little more room. A 1/2 inch. You're quite an inch on this side.
I am mine. I can look and tell.
I'm lifting the whole thing.
Huh?
I'm lifting the whole thing now. Hear it?
Yeah. Jiggly.
Yeah, I know that. Uh-oh.
Alright.
Kind of scary, really. two binders there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't take my other piece out though. Whatever was in there is what's in there.
I don't think I had anything in there.
You didn't? Then you're more than 1.5 inches over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course, that's our level though.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is a massive hole down there. So we've decided to use shims as we're going up under the cribbing just to keep things stable, because it's wobbling a little as we're jacking this thing up because it's getting so far off the ground. So just trying to be as safe as we can be while we're doing this. I got a 1x4 under there.
What?
1x4. That's all I got. Oh no, wait, I got a deck board. Never mind. All right, we're at about 18.5 inches from where we were originally sitting. Yes, it's been a long ways. I think we're gonna go up another 3 inches and then we're gonna call it done. Good enough.
Insect damage and chewing on it.
Oh yeah?
There's one over here.
Oh man, yeah. Cool, we get it up high enough for the video. All right, let's get this up. Well, today's been a relative success. I guess I'll do a walk around. You guys can see what we wound up with at the final height. You can actually see all the way up under the cabin now. So I think we wound up with about 20 inches. I want to go 2 feet, but it's a little too wobbly. So yeah, we got our blocking, our cribbing. Oh, got a pothole. And down here we found a hole from some kind of critter. I don't know what lived down in there, but it's a huge tunnel. Major tunnel. But the reason why we've gone through all this trouble is, can you see there's rot and where animals have been chewing under here? Yeah. So all that has to get fixed. No. Yep. Well, that's where we're at.